Hi, it's just Crafty Chantel. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to just step through these 4 frames that I have from Crafter's Companion. So these are kind of like create a card frames, and I have 4. Yeah, and I guess there are 4 in the collection. So what I'll do today is I'll show you them as kind of like an unboxing, then we'll do one live together, and then I'll show you a couple of cards that are already made. So this one says it comes with 11 pieces. It's called the Love Frame. And then, so you can see it has the background layer, and then the stamps. Love you, love is all that matters, with love, sending love, love and kisses, love you lots, love you so much. So this one says 11 pieces. And then next we have Celebrate, and this is a daisy frame, and it comes with several stamps as well. Your special day with style, let's celebrate together with lots of cake, and so forth. Then we have Happy Birthday to You. This one is called the Floral Opulence frame, and I really do like this frame a lot. It has these little small, what do you want to call them? Little flowers where you can accent with a nice rhinestone, and then it has like the swirls around it, and then obviously it comes with the word birthday for your sentiment, and it comes with a frame layer. And last but not least, Friends. So this one is called Botanical Frame, and you can see like all of the different florals in there. So this would actually be pretty cool to do some what do you call it, stamping. You do the ink with the daubers. So what I have prepared to do a demo on today is this Friends in the Botanical Frame. So I have a 6x6 card, because you can see this one's 5x7. This is like a 6x4, 6x4, and a 6x6. And then pre-cut, I already have a polka dot layer, and then this is what the die comes out looking, the die cut layer. And I kind of like this little edge that it puts around here when you're using the frame layer, and then the inside. And then so this is something that I'm adding. It's kind of tone on tone to raise up the sentiment. And then I have Friend, and then I have this one in white, and I was trying to hold on to it in here because I didn't want to lose the eye. So it looks like I did lose the dot for the eye, but I probably have enough little dots on this table where I can find something. So first what I want to do is stamp the inside, and I'm going to use this sentiment on the inside. So the cover will read Friends, and the inside will read Are the family we choose for ourselves. So let me just get my stamping tool. And I'll just do this in a basic quick dry black. Just make sure the words are lined up properly. Let's go with one more smash. There we go. Okay, they're stamped up, and now we can start working on the front of the card. Our first layer, this is just paper, and so that's why I'm not using a tacky glue. And then for our next layer, I'm going to use the dotty tape pen. Just go around the edges. I'll just use a scrap piece of cardstock so that I don't get mad all gummy. Now this could have probably been cut twice on something a little bit firmer, but I think it'll be fine. So yeah, and I'm just using the lines on my board to keep it lined up. Now we'll pop out our friends, and I'm just going to use this small glue. I've been using the tape pens more and more because my wrists are starting to bother me squeezing the glue bottles. Get that rough hand. So what I think I'd also like to do is use these gems from Spellbinders just to add a few accents and kind of do them in the flowers, or I think I'll do them on these round pieces. Kind of protrude. Just a couple of stones. Okay, and there we have it. Just a quick card using this Crafter's Companion Botanical Frames kit. And then we've stamped it just crooked. So this card will probably not make it in the store unless I want to peel the top part off and redo it. But while we're here, let's take a look at some of the other cards that I will start with the love frame, which, I mean, can you do it in anything other than pink and red? So I have here Wonderful Love, and I used a burgundy and then kind of doing like a tone on tone type thing. But if you look closely, you'll see that the heart layer is a piece of patterned paper. And then on the inside for a special couple on your anniversary. So Wonderful Love, kind of giving it anniversary vibes. And then over here we have another one, Love and Kisses. So I did this one in the pinks with some Anna Griffin elements. Nothing on the inside yet. But I did use the foam roll to kind of mount this one. So it stands up. And then let's see, which one do I have next? Floral Opulence. So here we have a thank you card. So this one I did in 4x6, and it's just the white card base, and then you have a kind of neutral creamy yellow ivory frame layer, but the background layer is the ivory and white, so it's patterned paper back there. And then I added some elements. I added this gold layer from Anna Griffin, and then the topper is also from Anna Griffin, stamped in the bronze, what is this? The Midas by Spectrum Noir metallic pigment. So this is the bronze color. And then also in the Opulence, kind of a totally different feel, we went with pink. So this is a pink and gold background layer. And then I added a gold frame. Then we get to the pearlized white, and then we finally get to the actual Opulence piece that came in the kit. That would be this frame here. I added a gold layer and then an Anna Griffin sentiment. Those Anna Griffin sentiments are just great to, you know, just pop on to your cards for something quick and elegant, especially if you're doing anything with gold. And then let's see, last but not least, we have the Celebrate, or the daisy frame. So what I did here was started out with a mint green patterned paper, or kind of like an embossed paper, and then we used yellow and then a white background layer. And I found this Happy New Home in my stash from the Knitwit Home Sweet Home collection. And then we just used a couple of pearl gemstones, the Studio G, so I think that is a Hobby Lobby. Then on the inside, new home, new memories, new adventures. This is from the Crafter's Companion Versus set. So just a few cards that that I've made, and hopefully they will provide you with some inspiration using the Crafter's Companion. These are some metal dies that I think they're called like a create a card frame, and I have 4. I think there are 4 in the set. I think I have the whole set. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and come back and check us out as we post additional videos. Thank you for watching. This is just Crafty Chantel.